In today's episode, we'll be talking about a phenomenal worker. One might even refer to him as an excellent laborer. Let's take a look at how Josh grew his home building side business by educating others with his wide array of carpentry experience. Stick around to the end to see some of Josh's incredible projects, including a stone veneer installation that completely transforms a fireplace. Josh began his career in construction working for his father at the age of 13. His father taught him early in life that working hard will yield success, so throughout high school, Josh picked up more carpentry skills in an effort to hone his craft. Josh built his own first home at 19 when his dad offered to finance the construction. This gave Josh more experience while also setting him up with a home to start his family in. While working on his home, Josh picked up a variety of jobs like building log furniture, working on steel buildings, and installing doors for Home Depot. He now had a wide array of carpentry skills, a nearly completed home built by him and his dad, and his first daughter was on the way. Unfortunately, the 2008 financial crisis brought instability to many, and Josh was no exception. He struggled with threats of foreclosure as construction jobs were difficult to find, and eventually he had to move his family in with his in-laws. But Josh and his wife adapted and persevered. While Josh was finishing his degree, they began building another house of their own. The family moved into the new home, and then he found opportunities through his bank to buy foreclosed lots and build more houses on them. Josh began building what is called a speculative house, where he assumed all of the risk while building the home with the hopes of finding a buyer after its construction to make a sale. While building the spec house, Josh was inspired by finance YouTuber Graham Stephan, and in 2019, he started documenting the build for a channel of his own. In his first upload to the Excellent Laborer YouTube channel, Josh teaches his viewers how to install a Delta shower valve. In his narration, he talks about not being able to find this kind of tutorial and deciding to just make one himself. The lightly edited video is filmed in the speculative house's construction site and is simply just Josh holding a camera and talking through his process with some text when needed. The next two videos made up a two-part series detailing the overall process of building the speculative home. In a video style similar to the first upload, Josh shows the audience the transformation from empty lot to finished home. After a few more simple videos of tutorials like pressure testing plumbing, filling in potholes, and installing can lights, Josh changed up his style with the upload Life of a Construction Laborer Job Site Cleanup. While the video furthers Josh's endeavors to teach viewers various home building tips and tricks, his filming and editing techniques have seen an upgrade in production quality. Josh is now in front of the camera more often and utilizing snappier editing to make the content more engaging to his audience. The content was also more personal, with Josh even addressing his viewers as excellent laborers. His next uploads continued increasing the production value as Josh became more and more comfortable in front of the camera. After only 3 years on the platform, Excellent Laborer now has almost 250,000 subscribers. The channel is now home to over 300 videos with tutorials on everything an amateur builder could need, from laying out footings to building an attic floor. In March 2022, Josh celebrated 100,000 subscribers with a personal video telling the story of his journey. At the end of the video, Josh reveals his actual main job as a respiratory therapist, meaning the content creator helps people take care of both their homes and their bodies. Following in the lessons learned as a child, Josh exemplifies the idea that hard work pays off. Whether he's creating content, building homes, aiding patients, or raising his daughters, Josh provides a positive impact on those around him, all while doing what he loves. I think Josh would say, "Video changed my life." So go ahead and check out the Excellent Laborer's social media accounts. I'll make sure to link them all below this video, including his YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook. If you've enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe button and the little bell beside it so you'll be notified when we publish our next video showcasing how businesses are leveraging the power of video to get their prospects to know, like, and trust their brands. If you've made a great video for your business or know of one we'd love to see, feel free to link it in the comments below.